For the next DIY, I found this great spring bottle from the Dollar Tree. It's so pretty. It's got little purple flowers all over. I thought this would make a really cute little mini solar light. So I'm going to fill it up with just some lavender. This is some lavender that I got at Walmart, but you could always use the one from the Dollar Tree too if you can find some in purple. But this matches the jar perfectly. So I'm just going to cut a couple sprigs out and put those down in there. Those are going to look so pretty when illuminated by a solar light. Now, I didn't want the solar light to be too big on this one, so I'm going to use one of the solar lights from the Dollar General. This is the 6-pack that you get for $5 there. And you know what? You can even get it delivered by DoorDash, which is pretty cool. I did that to get some more. And I'm going to go ahead and put the lid right on here. Now, the lid is a little bit too small to fit on there perfectly, like to screw on there for the hot glue. So I had to kind of force it on there a little bit and then flip it over and reinforce it with a little bit of hot glue just to make sure that it stays on there level, but it also stays on there really sturdy. And then I also use a little bit of Dollar Tree rope. I like to use the rope to reinforce the solar lights, the glue on them. I find that hot glue and rope holds up pretty well outdoors. And so I think that's going to be another fun thing that I can add here. It's not going to take away from anything, but it's going to help glue that on since I wasn't so sure about the solar light staying on there. But I do like the smaller size solar light when I have a smaller size bottle like this from the Dollar Tree. It's so cute. It has a little flower tied on. I'm going to leave that on there because I think it looks really cute. And here it is, our little spring bottle with a solar light. So this is really pretty for spring and summer. I love the flowers on there. And it's going to look so pretty lit up with the flowers inside of it. It's a fun way to do a solar light for sure. I've done other DIYs where I've lit up the flowers inside and I always love it. This is the beautiful light pattern it gives you at night. As you can see, it gives you a great pattern around the little bottle. So easy to put together with a little solar light on top.